So my goal today is to create a logo using ChatGPT. And what do we have here? I've created a GPT specialized on prompting for ChatGPT. So I will just show you what I did here. So if we go and open my prompt master, I create this prompt that's gonna help us to write a better prompt because there is a engineering behind every prompt that we give. And here we're gonna use that to basically use on our day-to-day ChatGPT. What I did here, the first thing that I want to show you is that I'm gonna create a t-shirt. So what I need here is actually, I need a prompt. Let me see what's gonna provide to us now. Okay, so let's try to take this, what it provide to me, and see what dall-e is gonna give it to us. So I'm gonna hand over to another chat, add this here, and let's see what happens next. Wow, that's pretty impressive. It wrote exactly the name of the company. This doesn't happen very often. So for example, this one here, I could take exactly that one if I want to. Of course, it's not a professional logo. A designer can do this way better, and you need to use in different backgrounds, so you need to work with it. But I'm gonna take another example here just to show you, because this here I didn't see so far. It gave me exactly the name of the company. So let's try again to see if it keeps giving me a perfect logo. Let's try another chat, because I don't want to take the history of the other one, and see if it's still providing the same logo with the name I'm requesting. Okay, you see, here is a clear example that what normally GPT will give to you. It's not exactly the name. It always add a new letter or yeah, anything that can not be so close to what you ask. Like it's very close to what we ask here, but actually there is an extra T, unfortunately. So what we need to analyze is how easy is actually to move this without being a professional designer, because what we want to do is, okay, let's see the scenario where we have a letter that we can easily change it with our tool. So this one I see here, it could be changed, but I think I need another one because this one here, it would be quite tricky to change. So let's try, please, another one. Okay, again, it gave me the right name, and I'm very happy it's providing this, because this makes our life even easier. So what we want to do next is actually remove this background, because we don't want that blue background. But of course, if I ask here to ChatGPT, he's gonna give me probably like another completely different logo, just to show you what's happening if I ask the ChatGPT, please remove the background color. Let's see, please keep this logo and remove the background color. You see, so as I expected, it's throwing me an error. So what can I do next, since ChatGPT cannot help me to remove that? Well, I have two options. So you can go to canva.com, and here you have the new logo, and we're gonna paste here the logo that we created on ChatGPT. And I'm just gonna make this a little bit bigger. So, and here there is this artificial intelligence that you can use. It's part of the paid plan from Canva.com. So if you want to use all those tools, you need to get their subscription. But what I want to show you first is that, as I mentioned previously, it's not every time that you get the right words, like we just get it, t-shirt completely right. So in case you get a wrong word, you can come to edit photo, and you have this tool here that's artificial intelligence from them that's going to recognize which kind of text is currently present on your image. So here is just analyzing it. And you see, it converted my text into an editable version of the text. But of course, it's not the same. So that's why I told you before that you have really to analyze if it makes sense to change it or not. When the title is completely out of the picture, is easier, but in this case, it doesn't get that right. I could still change here what is written, but the rest got compromised, as you can see the picture, so I don't want to do that now. The only thing I want to do is to remove the background. So I'm gonna go to edit photo and use the background remover from Canva. That works pretty good. So here you have your picture with without backgrounds. You can apply this in many of your works, and then I just need to download it. And here we go. I get my version um, from my logo. But if you don't have the paid version, you have other possibilities. You can just Google remove background ground from image, and there are couples of images here that you can do that for free. Let's just try one here with you. I will just add this one. Let's see what happens. And it's taking everything out. And I can download it. And I have here my logo without any background. Again, this is just an initial logo. If you need that for printing goals, if you need to put in a flyer or even like expand it, that's not the best way to do it. This is just an initial logo that can help you to just launch a business initially, but I totally recommend you, if you are planning to expand and have a big operation and print this logo everywhere, please go and ask a professional to do that for you. But for now, this can be very helpful to start anything. Okay, I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.